Dry organic carpet cleaning is the safest, healthiest, cleanest, and driest method on the planet. If you are looking for the best way to clean your carpet, you should consider dry organic cleaning. The latter is the best, safest and healthiest way to clean your carpet, as well as the driest method to preserve its integrity for years to come. As you might know, most carpets don't take excessive humidity and water very well. Wet washing cycles might damage and thin out your carpet over time. For this reason, dry cleaning is critical. Organic cleaning products and methods are better because they are devoid of potentially harmful chemicals, which might affect the quality of your family's life in the long run. This cleaning method reduces mold growth and minimizes dust buildup. The issues mentioned above aren't just bad for your carpets, but they might also cause some wellness concerns for the people in your household. Dry organic carpet cleaning is also better for the environment, leading to a more conscious choice for your carpet cleaning needs. With this safe, dry, and healthy approach, you might be able to bring your rugs back to life and give them the excellent care and maintenance they deserve as prized household possessions and even family heirlooms to pass on from generation to generation. Call EcoClean Dry Carpet Cleaning today. EcoClean Dry Carpet Cleaning.com